Good morning, guys. This is your tutorial for Wednesday, January 20th. Make sure you fill out this attendance form right here because it automatically populates into a spreadsheet for us, and this is how we do our attendance for you on Wednesdays. So please make sure you fill out your attendance link. Couple of reminders for your assignment today. You're going to be doing an ed puzzle, and it's an Amoeba Sisters video. Okay, so you'll look under the classwork tab. Ed puzzle populates first. You'll see it. It says asexual and sexual reproduction, Amoeba Sisters video. All right, so you'll click on that ed puzzle and you will turn that in. Also, your reproduction vocab was assigned to you, so it is due on Thursday of next week, so that's the 28th. You can also expect to have a quiz on this information on the 28th as well. So once again, ed puzzle, that's what you're doing. It's under the classwork tab. It is for a grade, all right? So you've got to try your best on it. If you need to, rewind, listen to something again before you answer the question, do that. But make sure you are trying your best and you get it turned in. If you're having issues with it, contact your teacher and we will help you. Thanks.